Our flight to Sun and Fun 2025 was a really exciting one. We got to take 23 Mike Zulu from a busy Class Charlie airspace in Daytona, flying towards Lakeland. We started our flight into Sun and Fun departing out of Daytona's Class Charlie airspace. We started on the ground requesting flight following to Lakeland, where after we took off, we traversed the Class Charlie airspace through Daytona. From there, with our flight following, we were actually cleared into Orlando's Class Bravo airspace and worked in our favor on making up some time towards Lakeland. Once we got about 70 to 80 miles out away from Lakeland, we started to listen to the Sun and Fun arrival ATIS, which detailed what runway we were going to land on and what arrival entry we were going to use. Upon starting the Sun and Fun arrival procedure over Fantasy of Flight, we turned right slightly to fly towards the Suntracks racetrack for about 3 miles. The procedure dictates that you fly 100 knots, which in the Cessna 172 Lima model that 23 Mike Zulu is, we have to maintain 115 miles per hour. After we reach the Suntracks racetrack, we fly again right-hand turn towards the north end of Lake Parker. That's where ATC clears you into flying the procedure over the smokestacks.
Everybody, if you're southwestbound along the interstate, once you pass Lake Parker, monitor tower 135.22.
This is the time where it gets exciting. Right now, we found a good gap in traffic inbound to Sun and Fun, so far it's been nice going in. Got good spacing between the aircraft in front of us and ourselves.
Bonanza over the plant rocker wings.
I believe that Bonanza is the traffic in front of us.
Give me 10 degrees right and hold that till you pick up the interstate southwestbound.
Once you reach the smokestacks on the north end of Lake Parker, you will do a wing rock as directed by ATC to acknowledge that you are listening to them on frequency. From there, you turn westbound and fly towards Interstate 4.
Southwestbound, look for the golf course. As you approach that golf course, you need to start looking for a golf ball-shaped water tower.
So now we're maintaining
westbound over the stack rocky wings. Good rock. Continue westbound as you're doing there and continue on the procedure.
All right, we got a good rock.
For traffic inbound 1.
Upon reaching Interstate 4, we made a left turn following Interstate 4 until we reached our VFR waypoint, which was a cake tower and a golf ball right next to a golf course, which directs us to fly directly towards Lakeland. You can see it right off your nose at that point, and there's a V-shaped building that is a perfect time to usually start your downwind. This day, we were landing 28 right, which is right on the taxiway. So we started our downwind towards 28 right, and as directed by ATC, turned our base towards the orange dot. We were initially instructed to fly towards the orange dot to land on the green dot. So this is where a short field landing comes in. This is a precision landing where you need to be on your game and make sure that you do everything you can to land on this dot.
Wing over the orange dot, keep it airborne to the green dot, clear land 2A right. On the downwind, turn base.
All right, turn base.
Nice work, everybody, nice work.
No one's in front of us, correct?
Land on the green dot or later, and high-speed taxi, and nice work.
Get below the...
Keep that rounded turn all the way to the orange dot. You're clear to land runway 28 right on the green dot or later, and then you'll high-speed taxi then.
All right, green dot is what we're told to do.
That right towards the orange dot for the high wing on the base. Perfect, nice work, great job.
Right towards the orange dot. He wants me to land on the green dot.
That orange dot, but you're going to land on the green dot. High speed taxi to then. Nice work.
So I know exactly what he wants me to do. He wants me to aim.
Runway, and then you can advisor on the other side. Aircraft inbound from Lake Parker over.
So I'm going to more or less fly it towards this orange dot. I'm going to land it on the green dot.
Control tower. To turn in
and let's see how accurate we can get it.
Downwind for runway 28 right.
My checklist has been done. My before landing checklist. Everything is ready to go.
You're going to land on the green dot or later. Nice work. Welcome to Sun and Fun. Welcome to Sun and Fun. On the downwind, turn base. Moving on the downwind, turn base now. I want you to go right towards that orange dot. You're going to land on the green dot or later. Runway 28 right. Wing on the downwind. Start that right base turn now.
Starting right base, aircraft on downwind.
And Bravo Extra, I need that right
man,
base.
I floated
One
it a
turn
little
for
bit.
the orange dot. Don't square it off. Nice work. Perfect. That's what we need.
All right, now we
towards
get to
the
high
orange
speed
dot.
taxi it down to the end.
Roger that. Right turn towards the orange dot.
So, with all of that in mind, MzeroA Nation, we've arrived at Sun and Fun. It's time to park 23 Mike Zulu in the next video. See you then.